Proceed now.
Okay. A pleasant morning to one and all present over here. It's a great honor for me to take this opportunity to introduce about our chief guest of the day. He is none other than Mr. R. Prasanna, who is working as an assistant professor and training coordinator at Milam Engineering College. Let me give the details of his profile. He has completed his UG in VRS College of Engineering and Technology, Viluppuram, and he completed his PG in GKM College of Engineering and Technology, Peringalthu, and currently pursuing his PhD in Anna University, Chennai. He has strong passion towards teaching and serving students' community more than a decade in teaching engineering subjects and in developing students through his career development session. He has served Sutherland Global Services for a period of 4 years. Due to his passion and quest towards teaching, he completed his PG and joined as assistant professor in engineering college. And his achievements are the Best Teacher Award for the academic year 2017 to 18 from Milam Engineering College. Best Department Placement Coordinator Award for placing more number of students in various top companies for consecutive 3 years, 2016, 17 and 18 from Milam Engineering College. Consumer Excellence Award from McAfee during the year 2011. Platinum Tenure Award from Sutherland during the year 2011. Best Student Motivator Award 2020 from WC Groups. He has conducted many seminar sessions for students related to personality development and communication skills, which includes effective communication and interview-facing skills and BPO skill training module. During this pandemic lockdown, his test to teach students community did not diminish. He has started a YouTube channel, Passionate Professor, and he posted more than 70 videos for academics and career development. And I also welcome Ms. Divya Ma'am, Assistant Professor of our CSE department, who organized this wonderful session. I would request to share a few words.
Good morning to one and all gathered here for this virtual webinar on opportunities in digital era. And I would like to welcome our beloved chief guest, Mr. R. Prasanna sir, to be here with a part of this session. And welcome you, sir. And I also welcome Mr. Lijo sir from the Unima Communications for the coordination and the organization of this entire program. Thank you, sir, and welcome you once again.
Welcome, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
And we have such a passionate professor here, and he is towards the success of the students, for the students, to the students, of the students like this. And we have the wonderful chief guest here, and we are waiting for your wonderful speech, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for that welcome.
Shall we continue, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, thank you, sir. Thank you for coming in your busy schedule, sir.
Sure, ma'am. Thank you for that beautiful introduction.
Thank you.
And thank you, ma'am. So let me start my session.
Yes, sir.
Present my screen, ma'am. Just tell me whether my screen is visible. I'll just.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. You start your presentation, sir.
Sure, ma'am. Can you able to see my screen, ma'am?
Yes, sir. It is visible only, sir.
Yes, thank you. Thank you very much for that beautiful introduction.
Okay.
First of all, I would like to thank Kongu Nadu College of Engineering and Technology, the management, the principal, and the program coordinators for giving me this wonderful opportunity to share my views in opportunities in digital era. Ma'am, may I know which year students are attending the program, final years or third years?
Third year, sir. Third year, sir.
Fine. Thank you. So, very good morning, students. Today we are going to see the opportunities in digital era. So, before going to this, first we have to know what is digital era. So, let me start with the digital revolution. We have come across all this revolution: industrial revolution, IT revolution, digital revolution. So, my dear students, today I'm just going to give you the outline of the opportunities which you have, the core opportunities which you have in digital revolution. First, during 19th century, that is in Industry 1.0 and Industry 2.0, it was called as an industry revolution because machine replaces dangerous and heavy works. And that is why it is called as industrial revolution. And after that, in later 20th century, we call it as an IT revolution where machine replaces repetitive and tedious work where computers have emerged, and that is called as an IT revolution. And today we are in the digital era, digital evolution, that is machine replaces knowledge of work. uh, right now in today's world, you can have everything in your hand, like through your smartphones, through your tablets, and through all these electronic gadgets. You can do wonders in your life. Am I right? In digital revolution, like the latest technologies, artificial intelligence, data science, everything makes this particular digital revolution to a great extent in such a way that the artificial intelligence influences the market or influences the machine such a way that it can compete with human intelligence. And the opportunities which you have in this digital revolution is more and plenty. So we will just see the outline, the basic or the core opportunities which you have in digital revolution. And we are in the 21st century where you can see right now, in a span of 10 years, if you take in a span of 10 years in a country like India, the number of devices that is getting connected to the internet is very vast and it's booming day by day. In a span of 10 years, before 10 years, we will be able to connect to the internet only using your laptops or your desktops or something like that. But right now, everyone can able to connect to the internet just like that within a second using your smartphones. Am I right? Yes, am I audible, my dear students?
Yes, sir. Audible only.
Okay, sure. Thank you. So, with this particular evolution of your smartphones and your gadgets, we have plenty of opportunities. That is what we're going to see here. And this is the technology advances which you have gone through this digital era, right from data storage, robotics, drones, sensors, cloud computing, digital communication advances, machine learning, machine translation, virtual reality, speech recognition. Hell, a lot of technology advances has been taking place right now. And the devices, as I said before, the devices getting connected to the internet is very, very high and huge numbers, right? And with this technology advances, we can also connect different technologies to provide a lot of applications. For example, one of my students just now created IoT based sensor devices for monitoring human health, where he had combined different sensors and he was able to communicate that particular sensing data to a cloud so that we can able to access through mobile and as well as to the web application. So he had done that within a span of 2 or 3 days. So that is the technology advances right now we have. So we can able to give or we can able to create or a lot of applications or a lot of advantages using these technologies. So and also in career wise, you have a lot of opportunities based upon the skills which you possess in this digital evolution. So before going to this, I'll tell you what is digital era. To make it very clear, what is digital era? Everyone know these personalities, these four gentlemen in sports: Cristiano Ronaldo and Lionel Messi, Virat Kohli. Everyone know them, right? If you take Cristiano Ronaldo, is a famous football player, and Lionel Messi is also a great football player, no doubt in that, right? Uh, they earn a lot by playing matches. They go to different countries, they go to different types of people, they have to run all around the ground, they have to sweat a lot to earn a lot of money, right? And so far many players have done that. But in this digital era, if you take Cristiano Ronaldo, even if he doesn't play football, even if he doesn't travel through different continents, he can able to earn $9,000 per post in Instagram. Just like that, if he can take his mobile phone, he swipe it, and if he post a single post, he will get this much amount in dollars for per post. And similarly, if you take Lionel Messi, he will get this much amount of dollars, $695,000 for per post, which means Leonardo Messi will earn around 4 crores, 4 to 5 crores, and Cristiano Ronaldo can able to earn up to 8 crores just by posting a single post in Instagram. Understand this particular, my dear students. If you take Virat Kohli, the captain of Indian cricket team, we know that he is a wonderful player. He's a very good player, and he had a lot of achievements in today's cricket world. We all know that. But you know that with single post, you don't want to travel to Australia or England or New Zealand to play cricket. You don't want to spend 5 days of Test match cricket for earning monies. Just like that, if you post a single post on Instagram, he will get 2 crores. And you know that in this lockdown period, within a span of 2 months, he had earned more than 4 to 6 crores through Instagram alone. And if you take this particular gentleman, Sachin Tendulkar, he is also a wonderful player, right? He had done a lot of achievements, and he had created a lot of records during his time period. Am I right? And he used to travel to different countries to play cricket and to earn monies. He will also do a lot of advertisements. Even Virat Kohli has done all these things. He had gone through Australia, England, New Zealand, and also done a lot of advertisements. Everything is done, right? They will earn both large amount of money through this particular advertisements and as well as through playing. But understand one thing, my dear students. Even Sachin has created even a lot of records or something like that. He doesn't get this opportunity of earning through Instagram just by posting a single post. All Virat Kohli has to do is just open his mobile phone, and he has to post a single post where he can able to get 2 crores. But that was not possible during the period of Sachin Tendulkar. This is called digital era. You have to understand this particular thing. So you can earn a lot. You have a lot of opportunities. All you need is you need a passion. You need the right technique and right technology to get into digital era. So digital innovation. So what is digital innovation, my dear students? A digital innovation, if I say digital innovation, you could see we can convert that digital innovation into 4 different modules, which is digital business models and services, digital customer experience, data-driven insight, intelligent process automation. These are the 4 different modules in digital innovation. See, I would like to give you one beautiful example for this so that you can understand what is digital innovation. So let me tell you, by last month, I visited one particular website. Okay. So in that website, what I have done is I have ordered a particular T-shirt for my friend. So what I have done that through a particular mobile app, and we can also do that by going through a web-based application. Am I right? So that particular app or the web application is called as digital business module and services, right? And then after selecting that particular T-shirt and after paying all the amount, I got a different experience that is called digital customer experience. What is that? See, as soon as I placed the order of that particular T-shirt, I could see 2 suggestions popping out in my window. I could see like sunglasses and also a pair of shoes. I have a suggestion where you can able to buy the sunglasses and shoes with this particular offer. You can get 50% offer. And surprisingly, I could see that sunglasses and shoes perfectly matches with that T-shirt. So if I need, I can go ahead and place the order for that sunglasses and as well as for that shoes. This is called digital customer experiences, right? And now I'll tell you what is data-driven insight. See, if I need, I can go ahead and purchase that particular sunglasses and as well as the shoes. But below that particular option, I could see another option which is called suggest. What is suggest? I just out of curiosity, I have clicked that particular suggest option, and I could see a lot of sunglasses and pair of shoes over there. That is in different colors and different models. All I have to do is I have to go ahead and select any particular sunglasses or shoes which I need, because if I don't like the suggestions which was given by the module which is designed, I can able to select any one of those suggestions. So this is data driven insight. What is that data driven insight? So now what I'm doing is I am suggesting a new suggestion. That is, instead of the old sunglasses and shoes, I'm going to select a new pair of shoes and sunglasses. So what this module, how they have designed this module is, it is an artificial intelligence based module. Say for example, more than 10 customers or more than 100 customers is going to buy the same pair of sunglasses and shoes which I selected newly, it will be added to the suggestion and it will automatically replace the old suggestion. You understand what I'm saying? This is called data driven insight. So now the old suggestion has been removed and new suggestion has been added. Why this is done is because to attract customers, to feel the customer's experience, to improve the customer's response. They have done all these things. And now if any others going to buy the same t-shirt, they will get this new suggestion with a new pair of sunglasses and shoes. This is called intelligent process automation. So this is called digital era, my dear students. If this was not the case in previous years. Like if you want to purchase a product, you have to go to shops and you have to bargain with them. You have to find the right material, everything, right? And here, based upon artificial intelligence, in a matter of 5 seconds, you can do wonders by sitting in your own computer or even in your mobile phones. This is called digital innovation. And now I'm going to tell you beautiful opportunities with this digital era, digital jobs. I'm going to just tell you 5 different job profiles which is highly in demand in current market. So the first one, social media manager. What is social media manager, my dear students? If you take any particular industry, if you take any hotels or any particular organization, you will have managers. Am I right? You will have managers. So, what is the working of the manager? For example, if it is a restaurant, the manager has to take care of all the activities to maintain that particular restaurant. And if it is an organization or an institution, the manager has to take all the development opportunities and the daily activities for that particular institution or organization. That is the role of the manager. And today in digital evolution, you have this particular job profile called social media manager. What is that exactly, my dear students? I'm pretty much sure all these third year students, everyone will have the Instagram ID and as well as your Facebook ID, and everyone will watch YouTube videos at least for more than 1 hour a day, right? So you spend a lot of time in social media. So how is that? If you're spending more time in social media, then you are the right candidate for this particular job profile, social media manager. Sir, how can I apply for this particular posting? Or what should I learn for this particular social media manager? Believe me, students, you don't need any particular skills, any coding skills or any artificial intelligence skills, nothing. All you need is you need a wide knowledge in social media. See, if you're going to spend 5 hours or 6 hours in social media, then you're the right person for this particular profile. But what you have to do here is, it's not like just for a time pass you have to spend time. You have to analyze things in social media. If you take YouTube, you have to be aware of what are the current trending videos, what is the best channels, and who are the best speakers, what is the best technology they are using, what is the content they are delivering, or what is the customers or the subscribers knowledge or subscribers wish to see those videos. You have to know all those things. If you say you are a social media manager, if you're getting hired for a company, you should be aware of all these things, like the trending channels, the trending speakers, the trending social media events, all these things. So what is that I'm going to do with this particular knowledge? What company is going to do with this particular knowledge? Yes, my dear students, with that particular knowledge, they're going to hire you. They're going to hire you and give you the position for social media manager. And what you have to do is, if you're getting hired for an organization, you should promote their business, you should promote their products using this particular knowledge in social media. You should be able to analyze, you should be able to identify the right channel for your products, right speakers for your products to promote your business, your products, like that. So for that promotion, you need the knowledge in social media. And that is the only essential skill which is needed in this particular social media manager job profile. This is a very important job profile. And the second one, the blogger and the blogger. Everyone know what is blogger and vlogger. Many people right now blogs in websites, in lot of other stuff, right? And that is a vlogger. In YouTube you can see a lot of videos is getting posted right now. Even in Tamil you have a lot of videos, a lot of trending videos. Even a small fun videos reaches a great level of people, great number of people, maximum number of people. For example, the beauticians right now started doing makeup tutorials. The fitness people started posting videos for fitness tips, and as well as food review videos and movie review videos. You can see hell a lot of videos. There are people who started doing a full-time job by creating a digital content and delivering it for a huge number of people. Am I right? You all know what Madan Gauri, what he does. He does any useful information. Whether he gives you any career development programs or something like that. No, all he does is he gives a video presentation about current topics, the hot topics. Am I right? So what the skill you need in this particular area? The basic video editing skill, the basic content delivering skill. All these things are very important to become a vlogger, right? If you start a new channel in YouTube, it will be a learning curve for it, and you will not be able to acquire a lot of subscribers. But as time progress, if you learn a lot of things in video editing, and there are a lot of different techniques to make your video to reach maximum number of subscribers. If you learn all those things, you can be a successful YouTuber. This is one particular area which is booming day by day, and you can see a lot of channels which is doing the same. And just like that, they post number of videos, and through advertisements through that particular channel, they earn a lot of money. All right. And then SEO specialist. This is another important area in digital era, which is search engine optimization specialist. SEO is nothing but search engine optimization specialist. What is search engine optimization specialist? So I'll tell you one thing. See, if you're going to work for a company, they will hire you as a CEO specialist only if you know some basic skills in search engine optimization. Sir, what is search engine optimization? If you're going to search any products, for example, if you work for a company, Adidas, then you should be able to make sure that you optimize your products, or you optimize your website in such a way that it comes first in the Google search. So if anyone types shoes, then your website should come there in the first place. So that is the working of SEO, that is search engine optimization specialist. It's not only the links, the websites. There are specialists, there are freelancers who help these YouTubers also to make their content reach large number of people. Because right now, if you go ahead and see a lot of YouTube channels, the videos will be only in an average quality, or the content will be very average. But if you see the subscribers, the views which they have achieved, there will be large number of views and large number of subscribers, only because the keywords which they have used to post that particular video. What is the keyword, the title, the content? That is important to reach the number of subscribers. And being a SEO specialist, you should know what is the keyword, what is the right keyword to reach maximum number of subscribers. What is the right content? If you have a good content, but you have to you have to trim that particular content in such a way that it is reaching to a major audience. So that is called SEO specialist. And you have huge vacancies, huge opportunities in this particular area. And next one is app designer and digital designer. So what is app designing and digital designing? You know what is app designing? You have a lot of apps in mobile, and as well as digital designing is something where you can able to design a website or a logo, or you can edit a photograph, something like that, right? Everything comes under digital designer. So what are the opportunities you have in this app designing and digital designer? So let me tell you one thing, my dear students. You have a lot of opportunities. If you can able to create an app based upon the demand in market, then you are the right person for app designer. So during this COVID, you can see a lot of new apps getting published or getting in the Google store, like Zoom app, and as well as Microsoft Teams, as well as your Hangout, everything, right? Google Meet, everything has been emerged to a great extent only in this lockdown period. Am I right? So this demand, if you see this Zoom, it has Zoom application was uh, was created long back, but the usage of that Zoom app is very very limited till this COVID. But after this COVID, Zoom application, a Zoom company has emerged to a very great extent. They have running their business just like that. So depending upon the demand, if you can able to create a particular app, then that will be fine. And you are the right person for app designer. I'll tell you one thing, my dear students. Right now, during lockdown period, everyone would have attended online classes. Am I right? And you would have written tests in paper, and you would have you have scanned it and sent it to your professors for corrections for your unit test or university exams, something like that, right? See, if you people have knowledge in app designing, you can think once again of we can able to whether we can able to create one particular app where the staff members can able to just log in and post their classes, and as well as you can able to they can able to give question papers, conduct tests, and all those things. If you can able to create one particular app which integrates class modules, paper corrections, test evaluations, or test conductions, something like that, then that particular app will reach to a great extent in current scenario. So all you have to do is you have to work for that particular app. Definitely you can reach great heights if you can able to do that. Like this, you can able to design a lot of apps. And also, what is digital designing? So as I said before, you can see a lot of websites. As I said, I bought a t-shirt where I can able to go ahead and select sunglasses and shoes and all those things, right? So these particular websites will have the images. So if for example, the website manager or that particular organization, if they're going to post a particular image, that image has to be very clear and attractive. Am I right? They cannot just go ahead and take a picture of an t-shirt and post it in the media or in the social media or in the platform which they have. For example, if you take Amazon, if you take Flipkart, you can see a lot of sunglasses and a lot of products are there. And if you see any products, it will be very clean. You can see very beautiful images of that, right? Only if that is beautiful images, that beautiful images will create great impact with customers. So this people, this Amazon, Flipkart, started hiring digital designers. What they will do, they will just create the images of that particular product. They will enhance that particular product, and they will help the companies to post that particular images in the websites or in the platforms, so that it attracts a lot of customers. You understand what I'm saying? Am I right? So, and even now, last week or 2 weeks back, I had one particular drive in my college, which is Infinity Digital Media Company, I believe. IDAMers. They have hired more than 6 students for a package of 3 lakhs per annum. So the only thing what they need is digital designing. And to be frank, even this is right now it's an emerging technology. I believe I'm audible and everyone is listening because I was not able to see the screen. Am I audible? I'm connected still.
Sir, you are audible.
Thank you.
Yes, sir, you're audible.
Thank you. Thank you. So digital designing, that particular company hired 6 students, and believe me, students, digital designing, everything is new for my students, and no one knows the digital designing. The company, what they said, they need just the right attitude students, and what they're going to do is they're going to train the engineers for digital designing. All they need is they need a passion to learn that particular technology. That is what they expected, and they didn't check your career backgrounds or your profile or something like that. All they need is your attitude, your passion towards learning. Yes, my dear students, if you have that passion, that attitude towards learning, you can do wonders in this particular digital era. So that's about digital designer. And the last important opportunity, digital marketing specialist. This is one particular area where you have huge number of vacancies. So it basically comprises of all the opportunities which I spoke right now. So digital marketing specialist, what he will do, as I said before, the social media manager, he should have wide knowledge about social media. This digital marketing specialist, what they have to do is, you should have the vision about the digital marketing. I'll tell you one thing, my dear students. If you are even in school days or in your early days, like in the 10 years back, if I'm going to start a new business, or if I want to start a new shop, what I have to do is I have to open that shop and I have to design a pamphlet or a poster, and I have to post it in newspaper, and I have to hire one particular candidate who will go through all the homes and circulate that particular posters, right? But right now, you don't need all those things. All you have to do is you have to create a beautiful poster, and if you post it in Facebook, if you post it in Instagram, within a seconds it will reach a lot of customers and a lot of subscribers. So, digital marketing specialist is one particular person should have wide knowledge in this particular field. That is, he should know what is the current marketing techniques, whether we have to use social media, or whether you have to use emails, or I have to use posters to post it in WhatsApp, or I have to do a video content creation, something like that. So you have to have this particular knowledge to advertise his company or to advertise his particular product. So that is the working or the job role of digital marketing specialist. Believe me, students, I have said 5 different job roles. All you need in this particular job roles is you are doing that is, you're spending a lot of time in your social media, YouTube, and all those things. I need you people to start seeing videos by analyzing it, not just go through it or just see it for fun. Just start analyzing the videos. What is the ad just is getting posted? How is that this particular video comes into your feed? For example, if you use YouTube, you can see a lot of new videos or not new feeds which comes in. YouTube will suggest a new video for you. How is that this particular thing coming into your feed? If you start analyzing all these things, definitely, my dear students, you're going to have wonderful future with this particular 5 opportunities. And being a placement coordinator, I know how difficult it is to learn this particular aptitude and as well as coding skills. If you want to compete with big companies, TCS, Infosys, and all the service oriented companies, you have to start prepare from your second year coding classes. You should have wide knowledge in coding and all those things. Am I right? Only if you have aptitude skills and if you have good coding skills, you can able to get into this type of companies. But this job profile does not need any of your coding skills, does not need your career backgrounds. You should have 8 CGPA, 9 CGPA, and all those things. All you need is you should have good knowledge in social media and YouTube and digital marketing. And you should have the right intent, the right attitude to learn. If you have that, you can do wonders in your career. This is the 5 important or the evergreen profiles which you're going to have. And I'll tell you these things, this is top 10 YouTube channels in Tamil. I'm sure most of you would have gone through all these channels. This is the top 10 channels, right? Madan Gauri, Black Sheep, Madras Central, Paridavangal. You have gone through all these YouTube channels. Believe me, my dear students, this particular channel is not going to give you any career oriented or any technical stuffs or something like that, right? All you're using this particular channels, all you're going to see the videos in the channels is just for fun. Most of the things should be for fun and entertainment. If you go through Paridavangal, I believe all the college students would have gone through it. We will be the subscriber of that particular channel. And what you'll do is you'll just enjoy that particular videos, right? So my dear students, start from today. Don't just leave by enjoying that particular video. Just look at that. What is the video editing technique he is using? What is the background? How is that background is getting changed? How is that they're doing that background change just in a minute? If you see this particular videos, they just spend 1 hour or 2 hours of time. Within that, they can take at least 15 to 20 minutes of video. And with that 15 to 20 minutes of video, they earn millions of money. Only because of basic video editing skills and content delivering skills. So right from today, see all these channels. But one thing, my dear student, not just for the entertainment. Go through all these channels in such a way that you learn something. You just go Google search it. How is that video editing is taking place? How is that the background has been changed? All you have a lot of mobile applications. You have softwares for that where you can able to change all those things, right? So you understand what I'm saying. And now we'll see digital marketing. So as I said, digital marketing, you can do digital marketing in different fields, in different ways. That is through search engine optimization, through video, through mobile, through ROI, through SEM, such as maintenance, and pay-per-click, content, social media. You can use any particular technique in digital marketing. But you should have that particular vision. You should have that particular vision. Which media I have to choose? If it is students, what I have to choose? It's a social media or just a video or search engine optimization. If it is a business people, what is the technique I have to use? If my product is going to attract, it needs to attract the business people, then I have to search what is the best technique to cover those particular people. And if my product or if my services is going to deal with only students, then I have to focus on social media and mobile, because most of the students are in the social media and mobiles and tablets, right? So you have to create a right content and right application to reach this type of customers. First thing, you should have the knowledge about who are your customers, what is your product, what is your services that you're going to provide, and so that you can do all these things. You can earn a lot of money, or you can be able to get beautiful opportunities in very big companies. And these are the other techniques in digital marketing, where you can see video and audio production, interactive technology, mobile and marketing. As I said before, search engine optimization, search engine marketing, social media, e-commerce, email marketing, marketing automation, content management, web development, web design, copywriting and editing, right? So if you see all these things, web development, web design, copywriting and editing, all these are very easy techniques. If you just learn within 30 days of time, you can able to create wonderful content. All you need is you should have some creative ideas to create a particular video or to create a content, so that it will reach a lot of people, right? And another important area is e-commerce. What is e-commerce, people? As I said, you can right now, we used to buy products, and you can even sell your own used products using mobile application and web application, right? So that is called e-commerce, and you have a lot of openings and a lot of opportunities in this particular e-commerce area. And you can see digital business model. So first of all, what is model? What is model? it's see, we have just seen the opportunities so far. What are the opportunities you have, and you have to convert that opportunities into business models. For example, if you take e-commerce, you can see the Amazon website, eBay website, Flipkart, everything comes under e-commerce. That is their business model, right? And if you take digital advertisement, you should you should know how to post ads in Google, how to post ads in Facebook, how to post ad in Instagram, and all those things. Like this, you have a lot of opportunities. Like, what is crowdsourcing? What is crowdsourcing? See, crowdsourcing is a platform where you can able to connect different type of people, and you can just get the ideas. You can even hire people just for getting different ideas, so that you can use that particular idea for your innovative business model. So that is called a crowdsourcing. And similarly, you have a lot of platform economy. What is platform economy? You can see Uber, and a lot of Airbus, a lot of other platform economy. I'll tell that in detail in next slides, right? And digital payments. In a span of 5 to 6 years, the digital India, after the emerging of digital India concepts, the digital payments have reached great extents, right? PayPal, money, phone pay, Google Pay, and all those things, right? So if you can able to create one particular app, like phone pay or a PayPal, then you will have you can able to acquire, or you can able to get beautiful opportunities in big companies, right? And data driven government, smart cities, right now smart city projects is getting boomed in India. A lot of smart city concepts has been evolved, and it's going on right now. It's the government's very important projects which is going on, and you have a lot of opportunities in smart cities. What are smart cities? You can create a very good platform, that is, for example, intelligent based traffic monitoring system, where you don't need traffic lights, or you don't need policemen or all those things, where just by using different sensors you can able to monitor the traffics, and you can do wonders. Like that, each and every application have lot of opportunities in the smart cities projects. So if you can able to create one particular application, or one particular designing application suitable for all this particular application, then you have beautiful career, right? So I'll tell you, this is the top brands companies. You all know all these companies, right? I have taken only very few. Uber. You have more than millions of customers for Uber, Zomato, Swiggy, Amazon, Flipkart. So you know what Uber is doing, right? They provide they are in the traveling industry, and you can hire cabs, and you can able to travel in those cabs, right? And you know what is Zomato and Swiggy, what they are doing? Like, they are into the food industry, and if you order foods, it will reach in minutes, in a matter of minutes. And you know what is Amazon or Flipkart? You know all those things, my dear students. And you have to see the other side of this particular branch. If you take Uber, such a beautiful and dynasty in traveling industry, does not have even a single car on its own. And if you take Zomato or Swiggy, even though they provide lot of lot of things like foods, everything, you can able to order all the food items. Whatever food items you need, you can able to order in Swiggy and Zomato. And understand one thing, my dear students: Swiggy or Zomato does not even own a single restaurant. All they do is they will just combine the restaurants. They have a tie-up with those restaurants, and they deliver the products of that particular restaurants, right? And if you say Amazon or Flipkart, you can able to buy a lot of products, a lot of things, and all those things. And can any one of you say that is any Amazon exclusive store for buying products, for buying dresses, or something like that? No, they don't have even a single showroom or something like that. So this is the successful business module, right? So they don't have a unique particular restaurants or a cab or showrooms, but they are highly successful brands in this particular digital era. How is it possible? only because of business ideas and the implementation, right implementation with the right intent. That is what you need, my dear students. If you have that innovative ideas, you can able to achieve in this digital area, right? So I'll tell you how is that you can build that particular ideas, or how is that you have to understand certain things, my dear students. If you go to Flipkart, right from today, you go order mobile phone, everything in Flipkart, but analyze all those things. What is happening? As soon as you enter, if you click add cart, what is happening? If you click on suggestions, if you click on prices, what happens? Just go through all those things with your engineering brain. Only then you will understand certain things, my dear students. Each and every click which you are doing is an information for the company. Each and every purchase you do, each and every smiley which you share, which and every thank you which you post, which and every beautiful you post in social media, everything is an information for the company. You know that your customers, that is customer DNA, that is understanding the customer DNA, that is the behavior and needs of the customer, right from your experience, your purchase history. For example, you would have purchased sunglasses or shoes based on some particular offer. If they provide you 30% offer, if you can able to purchase it, and once again you are doing some other purchase with the same 30% of offer, ultimately whenever you go to that particular website, you will definitely predominantly see 30% off in all the products which you see, right? So this is how right now the artificial intelligence algorithm has been designed. They will just monitor all the events which is happening inside that particular platform. If you click on complaints, if you click on feedbacks, what is the feedback which you are giving, what is the mobile application which you are using, what is the platform which you are using, whether you are using a laptop or the smartphones, your social influence, what is that you are doing, you are posting that particular images in social media, what is the app usage, all these things, your call, text message, your caller network, billing behavior, data usage, everything comes under customer DNA. All these are monitored. All these are monitored. Monitored in the sense, you are giving information to the company, and what they will do is they will come out, analyze all this data, and they will come out with beautiful business model which is highly successful, right? And this is what happening in digital era. And to be frank, I'll tell you one beautiful example. Everyone will know, everyone will love biryani. Am I right? Everyone will eat biryani, and if it is chicken biryani or mutton biryani, you will love eating biryani at any time, right? So I'll tell you the digital goals, my dear students. You have to see this in a digital manner. I'll tell you a short-term goal and long-term goal as a person and as well as the industry. See the first one. Understand the business and where to focus. See, right now, I have planned to eat biryani. So I am the customer. What I'm going to do is I'm going to eat biryani. I need chicken biryani. What I will do is I'll just log in to a website, Swiggy. I'll see which is the best biryani shops and what is the favors they provide, what are the combo offers they have, what are the offers I have, what are the flavors I have, and all those things. I can see that, right? And then what I will do, I will just order that particular biryani, any one particular biryani based upon the offers, right? And then I will just add to cart and I will just implement it so that I will get the biryani in next 15 to 20 minutes, right? So step one is understanding the business, where to focus, conceptualize and identify digital use case, and then implement it. And now I have said what the customer will do, and now what the organization will do. He will just monitor, the organization will monitor what type of biryani people is ordering in a continuous manner. What is the flavor they are ordering? What is the offer they are ordering? So what they will do is they will select those flavors, they will select those particular offers, and they will create a business model. And then second part, they will see what is the application they are using, whether they are using any particular mobile app or web application or it's a laptop or desktop, all those things. They will collect all those things information. So what now they will do is they will create a particular mobile application with all the beautiful flavors which you have already purchased with attractive with attractive offers. So what you will do is you will ultimately log into that particular app so that you will get cheaper biryani with the same flavors and all those things. This is what happening in today's world right now, and this is just a short-term goal. I'll tell you in a long-term process. See, if you take Uber, they have connected millions or many car drivers, right? They have united the cab drivers, and they have created a whole network. What is that you have to do? If you have to do, or if you have an innovative idea for that particular business module, first what you have to do is you have to have an innovative idea. You have the innovative idea, and not only innovative idea, that idea should be in such a way that you should mix strategy. You should understand what is happening in today's world, what is the demand of the customers, what they really need, and then what you have to do is you have to form a digital innovation radar. What is digital innovation radar? You have to understand the market. You have to understand the customers, the pulse of the customers, and then you have to create a beautiful business model like Uber. It has created such a beautiful platform, right? You can able to book cabs using mobile application. You can see where the particular cab driver is and how long he can reach your place, so that you can cancel that particular cab driver and book a new cab driver who can reach you so early. You can do wonders in that, right? In such a way that you can create an application based upon all the strategies which you have. But one thing, you should have innovative ideas, and you should know which is the right technique or right platform to select, and then you have to come out with that business model. And there are a lot of investors who is looking for beautiful ideas like this, my dear students. So you can have wonderful opportunities in this particular area. And you all know the success story of Baiju Ravindra, right? Right from a small, right from a smaller place, he had reached to a great extent. Right from a teacher, from a normal teacher, he is right now the CEO of a 500 crore company. How is that possible? It's just one particular idea of learning app Baiju, right? It has reached great heights within a span of 5 to 6 years. Am I right? So you all know all the success stories about it. My dear students, I'm not going to speak about the success story of Baiju. I am seeing it in a different perspective. You can see the right side of my slide. You can see Baiju has expertise more than 700 high quality product development team. They have 700 product quality development team, and you can see 200 content creators right now, and they have 150 creative media teams for creating interesting videos, and 100 technology teams. Look at the opportunities they have created. Look, this is the digital era which I'm speaking. If you are good in product development, what is product development? The app development or the website development, that is called product development. Content creators, if you can able to create high quality content through your video editing skills or audio editing skills, then you are needed for that particular job. And if you can able to create interesting videos, then you are eligible for Baiju, right? So you can see a lot of opportunities. This is what I'm speaking about. This is the opportunities where you can just do wonders in your career. All this you need the passion to learn. And as well as the attitude that you have to progress. That is very, very important, my dear students, right? So now I have clearly informed you about the digital opportunities we have seen. And after this COVID, I would like to say COVID-19 as a perfect storm for digital. It has created a great vision for digital platform. For example, in the field of education, if Kongu Nadu College of Engineering and Technology organizing webinar today, without this particular Google Meet, what I have to do is I have to travel right from Virupuram to there to present this particular webinar. But today, right, from my own place, I am presenting this particular webinar. That is possible, right? This is only because of COVID-19. And last week I have organized a webinar in my college where I have coordinated the alumni from US. From US, he is answering the questions of Milam Engineering College students. How it is possible? It is only because of this uh, digital era and digital influences which we have right now. And if it is emerged in all the industries, if you take entertainment, even in entertainment, we used to go to theaters, malls, and all those things, right? But if you want to see a movies right now, you can just see in Netflix and you can see in Amazon Prime and all those things, right? So all these are digital advancements you can see. The data analysts performs all these things. They come out with different solutions or different apps which reach the great heights, which will be very useful for the people, the subscribers, the customers, so that the customers will also be very happy. And within a span of 6 to 7 months or even 1 year, that particular application will go to a great extent, right? And if you take even in IT industry, in BPO industry, digital health solutions, this COVID-19 has created a great impact with this digital advancement. If you take IT industry, you have to work right from morning till evening, and you have a lot of problems in that. You have to apply for leaves. The employees have to apply for leaves, and even the IT industry have a lot of problems conventionally. That is conventional problems in the sense, they have a lot of expenditure. They have to spend a lot of money in electric bills, net usage, and all those things. And now what happened? Everyone started working from home, and there is no electric bill, and there is no excuses for leaves and all those things. And to be frank, in this COVID, they can be able to use the employee, the human resources to a great extent than before. Even in office, they will work only for 6 to 7 hours, but in home, they started working more than 9 to 10 hours because they have assigned an assignment and they have to complete it. All these are advantages for the IT industries. And even in BPO industry, when I was working in Sutherland, you cannot able to take leave even 1 day, and you have to stay in office itself if there is a huge number of calls. But in COVID-19, I heard that in BPO industry, they have created an application where people can able to handle calls. The executives can able to handle calls right from their home or wherever they are. So this is the booming industry. This is the booming thing which you have in digital era. So that if you have the right technique or right intent, you can get placed in a lot of all these opportunities, my dear students. And being a placement training coordinator, without this conventional opportunities, without explaining these conventional opportunities, I will not be satisfied. So apart from all this digital opportunities, I would like to tell you the conventional opportunities which you have. Being an electronics and communication engineer, or being a computer science engineer, what are the opportunities you have in front of you? Everyone know TCS, Infosys, Wipro, all the software industries, right? And you know what type of opportunities you have, what is that you have to learn, and what are the skills you have to acquire. So what are the skills? The digital skills which I mentioned is nowhere related to your academics, it's nowhere related to your coding skills, nowhere related to your aptitude skills. But for conventional opportunities, you have to learn all these things like aptitude, coding, and all those things, right? And apart from campus hiring, you have off-campus hiring also. And my dear students, even this campus hiring and off-campus hiring is molded in such a way that every interviews is happening in virtual mode. I believe you would have attended Infosys. I'm sorry, if you are a final year student, you would have attended Infosys first round online test through laptops from your home, right? Even from last year itself, CTS started hiring people in virtual mode. So all the industry started working in virtual mode, in organizing campus drives, in conducting interviews in virtual mode. Even digital has taken place. Even digital advancement is taking place even in conventional opportunities. And another thing, if you think only you have, even in conventional opportunities, if you think only the campus hiring and on-campus hiring, then you will not be successful, my dear students. There are a lot of other opportunities. Right now, the company has started seeing people, the individual with right skill. It doesn't matter you study in a normal government college or a hi-fi engineering college. All you need is you need the right skill for the right industry. And you can see if you take TCS, a single company as a being a placement training coordinator, I know you can get into TCS through 8 different opportunities. 8 different opportunities. But according to students, what they will think is they have to attend interview, and you have to clear the interview. You have to clear the first round, and you have to clear the interview. Only then you can get the offer letter. But that's not the case. You have 8 different modules to enter into TCS. That is called contest based hiring. Every MNC company has started releasing contests. If you take TCS, there is a Core Vita contest, there is Inframind contest, right? There is Nginx contest, there is testimony contest. You have lot of contests. All you have to do is you have to learn a new technology. For example, if you take Inframind, right now we are waiting for the results of Inframind, where they have given 4 different technologies, and the first round will be an online quiz, and the second round in this 4 technologies, if you can create a project in any one of this particular 4 different modules or 4 different technologies, then you will be called for the interview. And in the interview, if you can able to prove them that you have done this particular project, you have learned this particular technology, that's all, you can get selected. So company has started seeing you as a skilled individual. What is the skill you have? Apart from your academics and apart from your coding opportunities, there are a lot of other things the company started seeing. And you can see a lot of hackathon competitions which is taking place. If you have a good coding skill, and if you're not good in communication, it doesn't matter. If you can able to code very beautifully, then you can able to enter in that particular through particular hackathon modules. See, one of my student, last year got placed in 4 kites for a 10 lakhs per annum. 10 lakhs per annum. Yes, my dear students, uh, all he needed is a basic coding skill, but he had a very good coding skill. But he is a Tamil medium student. He does not have that influential communication skill, right? He possesses some good communication skill after a lot of training on all those things, but he doesn't have that free flowing communication skill. But he got placed in 4 kites for 10 lakhs per annum. But he missed one particular opportunity called PayPal and Paytm. He entered the final round using his coding skill. He reached till final round, but in the final round he got rejected because of his communication skill. But if we have cleared that particular round, his salary is 25 lakhs per annum. Understand one thing, my dear students. Milam Engineering College is a very rural area. One particular student from that particular college can go to 25 lakhs per annum, 10 lakhs per annum. College like Kongu, Nadu, College of Engineering Technology can do wonders, right? So all you need is you need to understand what is the right skill, what is the skill I'm traveling, what is the path I'm traveling, how is that I have to acquire that particular skill. That is very, very important, my dear students. So I believe I have given all the insights right now regarding digital opportunities. I have given my best. I believe I have not bored you. If you have any questions, you can post the questions, students. Any questions?
Sir?
Yes, go ahead.
Sir, actually, one of my classmates has already asked you one question. Can you please give the answer for that?
Can you please read that question? I was not able to see the chat screen from my end.
Sure, sir. That he said that I have one idea. It's based on our Indian transportation in goods and service.
Okay.
I want to make a digital way of booking the loads, but it is directly connected to government tenders. Okay. Is it possible to getting started with this idea?
That's possible. Yes. First thing, you have to first reach out the right people. Actually, first thing what you have to do is, to attract the investors. I prefer you people to create a business module or a video presentation of what you have, like that. Okay, so even if you don't want to tell the complete idea, you can create a business module or a platform. For example, if you're going to create an app or something like that, you can create all those things, and if you can able to reach the right person or through a LinkedIn or different social medias. There are a lot of companies. If you take Max Studio, it is an app development company like that. There are a lot of companies as well. If you can able to post, or if you can able to get in touch with those company people, and if you can able to share those ideas, you can definitely do wonders.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
So any other questions? Yes, my dear students. Thank you very much for this wonderful session. And apart from being the training coordinator or the assistant professor, my passion is teaching. And I have created one particular channel called Passionate Professor for making students to learn academics and as well as career development skills. So I have posted a lot of videos in that Passionate Professor channel. So my humble request is you can just go to that particular channel. You can see all those opportunity videos, the career development videos, the interview videos. Go through that and you can definitely improve your skills. Happy learning, students. Thank you very much for this wonderful opportunity once again. I thank the management, the principal, the coordinators of Kongu Nadu College of Engineering and Technology for giving this wonderful opportunity.
Sir?
Yes, go ahead.
Okay, sir. Before ending this session, once again, I would like to thank our chief guest for taking out time from his busy schedule and enlightening us with his knowledge. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you. Thank you, Guruji.
And also, I gratitude Ms. Divya ma'am for organizing this wonderful session. Last but not least, the students of third year CSE department, I would like to thank you for being this much of patience and